everybody, making another little video. I wouldn't have noticed this if I hadn't actually blown it up full screen, because I'm just looking for the glitchy. You know, this was only filmed about a month ago, okay, for a celebration of so many years astronauts. And I suddenly noticed little white dots. You have to look at this probably on your computer unless you follow my cursor. You can see them in, you know, you can see them here. You can see them. I can, because I'm on my computer. Do you see them? How can other people not see this? How can everybody allow this to happen right in front of our eyes?
First, make sure that you have track markers on your green screen.